Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out name of smartphone, DSLR, mirrorless camera used to capture the respective photo. So without further delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer. So if you're using a different operating system computer or any smartphone, still the tricks will remain the same. So the first method, what you need to do is on your respective computer or smartphone, just right mouse click or just select the respective image or photo file and just click on the details or properties, whatever option is showing on your respective computer or smartphone. So in my case, it's showing properties. Now just click on this details and just scroll down below. Now you will see here the camera model. So right now you can see here this respective photo is being captured using the Apple iPhone 12 mini smartphone. So right now you can see. So in your case it might be different. So by using this same method, you can easily find out name of smartphone, DSLR, mirrorless camera used to capture the respective photo very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.